Thank you for your interest in ProfitZoom Mobile. Let's take a few minutes and look at some of the really cool features that ProfitZoom has to offer. When we first log in, we have access to our schedule for the day and all the job sites that we'll be needing to visit. By clicking on the main menu tab, we can sync back to our office, getting any changes to the schedule or any other information that they may need to send to us, and we can also send any information that we may have put on the device back to them. Also under the main menu, we can log out, change our settings, or another great feature, pull up a map that shows the best route to take to get to all of our sites. When we actually enter into a site, we have access to every piece of information that we need to do our job quickly and efficiently. First, by clicking on the address, we can pull up a map and get turn-by-turn directions if we happen to need it. By clicking on the phone number, we can quickly make a phone call to our primary contact. And by clicking on the email address, we can quickly compose an email to our primary contact. If we're running behind or don't have the proper equipment to do the job, we can reschedule the service right here on the device and then send it right back to the home office. Also, if there are any relevant photos or if we take any photos, we can store those here and have access to them. Under the menu tab, we can start to log time. So once we get to the job site, we can just start logging our time and the phone will keep track of that for us. And another great feature is the notes. This gives us specific information related to the job site that we need to do our job quickly. On the equipment tab, we have access to all the pieces of equipment that are at this job site. We can also add new equipment if it's necessary. And if we have a long list of devices, we can filter by service type or inspection type. When we actually click into one of the devices, we have a more descriptive location. We also see the type of service that we're supposed to be performing, and we can actually change that if necessary. You can change the condition. We'll say this one failed. And we can add repair parts if necessary. And change the quantity of what we're ordering. The inspection tab contains custom inspection reports that you use, so we build those when we do the install. The order tab shows the complete order as we've submitted at the job site, from sales to labor and then to material. And then we can actually complete the order on the main menu tab, get the signature from our primary contact there, and then submit it to go straight back to the home office, and they can then send an invoice out the same day if they would like. Thank you for your interest in ProfitZoom and ProfitZoom Mobile. Please contact us if you have any additional questions or would like to see a more involved demonstration.